Hi everyone, here's another simple fix from the KPR kit. Today, we're working on a LG V40 thinq. The customer reported no incoming or outgoing calls after swapping SIM cards. Upon inspection, we noticed a no SIM card error. This issue is typically caused by the network technology supported by the device, also known as the bandwidth or frequency. Most devices support several network frequencies, but sometimes they fail to switch to the correct frequency for the new SIM card. Since we're located in the Caribbean, we use GSM frequency. In this guide, we'll show you how to adjust your settings to get it working again. This guide can be used on any device. First, go to Settings. On some devices, it may be listed on the Connections, but in this case, it will be on the Networks. Next, scroll down to select Mobile Networks. Here, you will see a few options to choose from. Since we're in the Caribbean, we will disable the roaming feature. We won't make any changes to the 4G option. Now go to Network Modes, where you will make the most important changes. You will have four options, including the GSM frequency. Choose the automatic option to prevent issues if the SIM card was removed again in the future. Now we have made the changes. Now let's test the device to see if the error persists. There we go. Your hard work has paid off. Thank you for watching again. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.